Cooking chicken breast is simple and versatile, allowing for a variety of methods to suit your tastes. To start, you're going to want to choose fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, all right? So begin by seasoning the chicken with your preferred spices, such as salt, pepper, garlic powder, and herbs. You can marinate the chicken for added flavor, or you can cook it right away if you're short on time. Now, one of the most common methods is pan-searing. Heat a little bit of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and then add the chicken breast. Cook for several minutes on each side until the outside is golden brown and the internal temperature reaches a safe level. Now, the key is to avoid overcooking as chicken can become dry. So to ensure even cooking, you can reduce the heat to medium and cover the pan with a lid to retain moisture. Alternatively, you can bake chicken breast in the oven. Preheat your oven, place the seasoned the chicken breasts on a baking sheet and bake until it's fully cooked. You can also grill the chicken breast on a preheated grill, flipping halfway through the cooking to ensure both sides are evenly charred.